What's up? Lex here and welcome back to the vlog! Yes! It's been a while na hindi ako nakabalik sa YouTube, so please welcome me back by subscribing to my channel. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to run through the process of how to shop sa Ayala Malls without getting outside. Diba? By staying at home, you'll get your essentials. So, nakakatawa, diba? It's something new. So, please, huwag ka munang umalis dahil mag-i-intro lang ako ng mabilis. Let's go! So, ayun guys, I'm going to introduce to you a new way of shopping sa Ayala Malls, and that is through online. Yes! So, let me introduce to you to Anna, or the Ayala Malls Neighborhood Assistant.
Wanted to buy a new dress but can't go to the mall? Don't worry, Anna will make it possible. Ayala Malls Neighborhood Assistant is now ready to serve you. Book Anna today at Ayala Malls Capital Central.
NANI?!
So, I'm back! So, i-run through ko kayo sa process ng Anna. First is, you need to search your preferred or nearest Ayala Mall sa inyong area. For me, it's Ayala Malls Capital Central. So, you just need to type. And then, ayan na, nag-load na. And then, makikita kayong Shop Now. Just click Shop Now. And then, that Shop Now will redirect to a form. And that form, kinakailangan nyo siyang i-fill up, of course. So, first is the customer information. That requires you to fill up your whole number. That requires you to fill up your full name and your mobile number. Ayan. So, pagkatapos yung i-fill up yung customer information, list down your orders according to the format. So, yung format natin is item description, the size, the quantity, and alternatives if meron. Just to be reminded, you guys, that hanggang 5:30 PM lang yung pag-accept ng orders because of the curfew. So, if you have special instructions then, you can fill up the special instructions box and then they will just follow it. So, after that, you need to press the delivery. Then, may magpa-pop na delivery address. So, ilagay mo lang yung delivery address mo. And then, of course, step 3, pay. There are two ways on how to pay dito. And that is, first is COD and second is GCash. And then after that, kinakailangan mo lang i-indicate kung ano yung preferred delivery date mo or claim date. And then after that, woohoo! Tapos na, just need to accept the privacy agreement and then click submit. O, diba? It's easy, it's convenient, and it's safe. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Diba? Try Anna. Book Anna today at Ayala Malls Capital Central. O, diba? Commercial. And for me, eto na yung pinamili kong grocery sa Anna. Woo! Wow! I'm so happy! Thank you so much, Ayala Malls Capital Central, for sponsoring this video. And nakapang-grocery ako dahil naghirap na kami sa buhay. Wala na kinikita mga vloggers. Charot! Ayan! So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching this video. And if nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, please click the like button. And if may kakilala kayo na for sure feeling mo makakatulong sa kanya, please tag them below and share the love and awareness. Chares! So, don't forget to click subscribe, like, love, and basta subscribe kayo guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!